Hi, to change language of your OnePlus Nord free, as a first step, open settings. Here you would need to go in the additional settings. And after that, you would see this tab language and region. Simply select it, and in the language section, you'll need to select this option to edit this list. So now let's choose any other language from the list, for example, Ukrainian. Just tap on the switcher, and if you want to set this new language as the default system language, you would need to tap this red yes button like that. And now everything is translated to the Ukrainian language. So if you would like to go back to the previous one, you would need to simply drag those lines up and here select the red option to change the language. And also you can add one more here just by tapping the plus. And that's it how it works. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.